Good afternoon, guys. Today I've got a little gem for you. I've got a lovely Rosa style on day. So let's go in and check it out. So of course this property is up for sale with tolettoseltobuy.com. You've got a lovely doorbell here and a little post box. Let's go inside. As you immediately come in the gate, it opens up to this gorgeous pool area with those fantastic views in the background. But first of all, let's go up on the terrace and go inside the property. It's a glorious sunny day here. We are in the Murcia region, Campusol. It's an urbanisation of over 4,500 properties. You've got a beautiful terrace here, as you can see, with an awning there so you can sit and just relax and enjoy a glass of wine or a gin and tea, whatever you fancy. So just here you've got this lovely decorative door and the wrecker here. So I've just come into this glorious property. This is absolutely pristine. It's a really beautiful gem of a property. Just over there you've got your log burner. It's dual aspect windows and you have got aircon as well. Just above you've got remote control ceiling light and fan. So I'm going to come down here and I'm just going to pan around for you guys. This is a really lovely home. And over there is your dining area. You have that lovely front door. I do quite like that front door. You don't see many of them on Campusol. It's like stained glass. I just want to show you the detail of that. It's really lovely. And you've got your dining area here. So I'll just walk through with you. So just in here is the kitchen. Obviously above you've got that ceiling fan and light. Absolutely gorgeous. All the mod cons in here. You've got a gas hob and electric oven. Just by the sink and drainer, you've got the faucet and you've got the water filter tap as well. You've got plenty of top units and you've got plenty of base units all around. So you've got loads. So really well, fully equipped kitchen. And of course, you've got your archway there, so when you cook a meal, you could just hand it over. The meal, I mean, to the people at the table. You got this large fridge freezer. So just down here is like a link corridor. And I'm going to just take you into, we'll do the first bedroom here first. So this room is illuminated by the sun today. The sun's in here in the afternoon. They've used this room as an office. You can fit a double bed in here. No problem at all, as well as 2 single beds. This room also has ceiling light and fan, wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows and insect screens and aircon. So I'm just going to pan around for you. And you've got upgraded wardrobes as well here, those sliding doors. All right, if I go straight ahead into the shower room, and this is a beautiful shower room. It's all been upgraded, as you can see. I just lowered the camera down so you can see the floor, and I just pull it around really slowly if I can. So that's the vanity unit as well there. So really nice bathroom. As you can see, nice shower there as well. And just above there you've got a heater just over the door there, and you've got your mirror. You've got electric wall heater there behind the door. So that heats your towels up. And you've got this lovely design on the tiles here as well. Really nice, fresh bathroom. So just in here, you have your master bedroom. You've got aircon, ceiling light and fan, which is remote controlled. You've also got insect screens, reccas and blackout blinds on the windows. It's quite a large bedroom. So I'll just shut that door for a minute and get this room at a different angle. So I'm trying to get this room at a different angle without you seeing me in the mirror. But as you can see, just above there, you have your aircon and your ceiling light and fan, as I've said. You've also got your upgraded wardrobes and your door to your ensuite. So let's go in and have a look at the ensuite. This is a really smart Rosa, I've got to say. It's really lovely. And again, this is a beautifully upgraded bathroom. You've got your modern mirror there. You sink with your vanity unit. All the flooring's been done. New WC and bidet. And you have that lovely wall heater on there as well. And your shower has a clear screen shower on it with the rain head shower. Okay. So I'm just doing this room at a different angle. So overhead by the door, you obviously have a heater. You've got storage there for your towels and all your other bits and pieces. And I particularly like the way that you've got plain tiles, but you've got this lovely detail here as well. You'd never see that in houses. They all seem to go with the same, just plain tiles, you know. So it's a nice little detail in this one. So let me take you through. So back into the bedroom again, and we're going to take you through to the house. There's that other bathroom again. This is a beautiful property, it really is. Very, very nice. Give you a glimpse of the living room again. And we're just going outside now, and we'll take a look around the pool area of this property. So you have this lovely seating area, as I've said before. So as we come out, as you can see, there's an awning on either side. So you can pull one down and one across. So you can have a nice shaded area there, especially if it tends to be really hot. And we do have pretty hot summers here. But this is a lovely area just to relax. Okay, I'm just coming up the far end so you get a different angle and perspective. And this looks directly over the pool area, and you have your shower there as well. So let me take you down and around. So we have a few steps here, guys, and we'll just go down here. So you have a lovely area and those lovely Andalusian tiles over there. The tiles on the floor are non-slip, and you have those fantastic views. You've got this lovely shower here as well, and you have this. Is it jasmine? Oh, it smells beautiful. And look at that. Now that is a beautiful villa. So I'm going to walk around the outside perimeter of the property just to give you an idea. So you have a nice little terrace here with nice tiles. So you can do outside dining here if you want. And just over here, across this decorative stone, you've got an underbuild. You know, these lovely lemons on the tree. You could imagine having your ice on a slice. So let's go downstairs and investigate the underbuild. So I can just stand up in this underbuild here, sunglasses on my head at tipping the roof. But I can see just across there, there is a water filter system just over there on the other side, the underbuild. So I just wanted to focus in on the water filtration system for you guys. So that goes up into the sink, into the kitchen where you have a water filter tap and you can drink the water then, okay? So let's go back outside. Right, we're just going around now. I just got to show you these lemons. Look at the size of these lemons. They're really beautiful. And you obviously you've got your off-road parking here as well. You could, of course, you could extend that into the back and make enough room for 2 cars very easily. And then you back out onto the road here. So just to my side, I have like a little utility room. We're going to have a look in there as well. It's a bit windy. The wind is wrapping around my ankles here. So just here, it's just understairs storage. And just in here is a nice tidy area to do your laundry. You've got a little fridge, you've got your tumble dryer and your washing machine. Everything you need. It's a nice little storage area for everything. Okay. So I'm going upstairs to the rooftop solarium, so I'll see you guys upstairs. So up here, as you can see, the roof is sealed. You have storage over there as well. And you got your washing line. It will dry in 5 minutes up here, and you've got a solar panel there. I just want to focus in on some of those amazing views from up here. Absolutely stunning.